Hey yo, this is Sharif here, working on a Audi Q7. Common problem: these lights don't work or they flicker or whatever. After diagnostic, took this guy out, troubleshoot it, everything. So your problem is, make your research really quick. So your sunvisors, remove the cowl, remove your sunvisor, drop this one down a little bit, pull out the wire. It's the wiring the problem here. You need to play with them, kind of push them, the pins together. Just a common problem with Audi. It's really your sunvisors. You can see how they're drying up, cracked up. This one, it was flickering and it won't turn on and off at all. The only way you turn on is you turn off the car and you turn it on and it'll flicker a little bit, that's it. But now you can see it's working. So this wasn't doing the same thing, so I said to myself, this is doing the same thing with one circuit here. That means everything here is connected good. It means gotta be somewhere here. There's an open circuit. And indeed, sunvisor. So check out your sunvisor. It'll probably save you a lot of headache.